Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of Daily American English. Big shout out if you caught day 1 on greetings. Hope you've tried a how's it going or 2. Today, we're tackling America's fuel, ordering coffee like a pro. Get ready to caffeinate your English. Your mission? 3 to 5 minutes of real-world English. Today's focus, the rhythm of ordering. Listen how phrases flow, sizes, customizations, quick exchanges, real talk bonus. You'll hear shortcuts like double shot or for here. Zero stress, just absorb the sounds. Your ears are getting sharper. Why coffee orders? Number 1 survival skill. Mess this up and you might get hot milk instead of cold brew. Seriously though, it's a daily micro conversation. Nail it and you'll feel confident in any cafe from Brooklyn to LA. Can I get I'll have a large iced coffee, please. With oat milk? Double shot espresso. For here, to go. Room for cream? That's it.
Hi there. What can I get started for you?
Hey, can I get a medium cold brew with a splash of almond milk? To go.
Sure thing. Any room for cream?
Nah, I'm good.
Alrighty. Name for the cup?
Jake.
Perfect. $5.20 at the window, Jake.
Pro tip, shadow one phrase. Repeat quietly after me. Medium cold brew to go. Do it 3 times today. Your mouth will memorize the muscle memory. Subscribe plus bell equals your daily English espresso shot. New episodes every single morning. Smash that like button if you'd order coffee with Jake's confidence now. Likes help YouTube fuel our mission. Comment below, what's your go-to coffee order? Spill it, even in emojis. Or what's the weirdest coffee you've seen ordered? Tomorrow, we unlock mastering small talk. Learn the 3 magic questions Americans ask everywhere. Game changer. Your tiny challenge. Notice 1 coffee-related word today. Espresso. To go. Large. Catch it in a song, ad, or real life. You nailed day 2. Next stop. Coffee-flavored confidence. I'm Alex. Stay awesome and keep those ears open.